guys, welcome to the Parrot Life. Today it is Friday. We are going to Freefly. It's been 2 weeks since the BirdTricks trip and we haven't flew our birds and it's been raining a lot. So we are really excited to go fly. I'm super tired today. The puppies woke me up at 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. So tired. So, but yeah, that's Keanu. Keanu! So we're gonna go fly. So we'll see how it is. We're meeting up with our friend Olga, who you saw in my other previous videos, and we're gonna go fly. It's been 2 weeks, so hopefully our birds are conditioned to fly. But yeah, we are heading to the flight trip. So, I mean the flight place. So, see you guys there. Good bird. We are back home from flying the birds, and Kona is super tired. He's sleeping right now in his cage. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel.